Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5. On this Mazda CX-5 we're going to go over where and how you would check your antifreeze level. So number one, you have a surge tank. You're going to look at that. If you can't see, there's a line on the back here, so you got to kind of look at it from the back. If you can't see it because the tank is discolored due to the hot and cold temperatures, these tanks will get cloudy. A lot of times you can just put a light up to them and be able to see what the level is. Your surge tank is just your overflow, and it'll be able to hold some, and then it'll feed into the radiator system when you need just a little bit. But say you had replaced the radiator or hose or anything like that, you would fill up your radiator through this cap right here. So this cap right here, we just spin it, you press it down and twist it to the left or counterclockwise, and then be able to remove this, and you'd put your radiator fluid right through here if you're adding a larger volume. Then you also make sure that you don't remove this when the engine is hot, because the steam and the hot water will cause bodily harm. So then you line the tabs up and twist it until it locks into place, and you can put that cap on. But if you need to add just a little bit of volume, we have our surge tank here, and we will add some coolant there, and you can just remove this whole hose and then be able to add the coolant to the fill line there. So we have a fill line and the low line. We're just right at the low, so we're going to bring it up to the fill. You can see that it's the green in color, so we'll use green in color to match what was in here, and use your brand and make that you want, as long as it will meet the spec of your vehicle. Okay, we brought that up to the full line, and now we'll be able to put this the tube back in and snap that cap on, and this gives our extra reservoir. It's an overflow slash the surge tank if you need extra coolant on super hot days. And coolant does evaporate off at a very slow pace. If it's going off faster than that, then you will want to be looking for signs of leaks. If you got puddles under your car that are green water in nature, then you're going to want to be looking at hose connections, radiator itself, or something else that's causing your coolant levels to go low. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.